Hello, today I'm going to show you how to order groceries from Amazon with SNAP EBT cards. So first, you're going to want to go to Amazon.com and you're going to click on the three bars next to all, and you're going to scroll down and you'll see Shop by Department, See All, and then you're going to click on Food and Groceries. Then you'll see the last choice is Pay with SNAP EBT, and you're going to click on that. And it'll show you here how you can pay using your card. So here you can add your SNAP card right now, or you can wait until you have things in your cart and you're ready to check out. If you click on this link, you'll see that you'll have to enter your card number. It also might ask you for your name, and when you check out, you'll also have to enter the PIN number. Then you're free to shop for groceries and you'll be able to save lots of time, and also you can save 15% on select products using your EBT card, which is great. And you also get extra benefits if you're a Prime member, like free delivery, and you only have to pay a certain amount. Okay, so now we can try to buy some food and put some in our cart. So I chose cereal, and you're just going to scroll through. Honey Nut Cheerios sounded good, so click on that. And then you'll click on one-time purchase, or you can subscribe if you'd like. Add it to your cart, and then you can go to the checkout. You can keep shopping, whatever you choose. Right now we're just going to check out. All I wanted was some cereal. And then you're going to click on the address you want it to be delivered to. And then you're going to choose your delivery option. So here, a good point that I should make is that your EBT card does not cover things like shipping. And so you would have to put in another card, debit, credit, if you wanted to pay, or if you had to pay for shipping. So then you just press continue once you choose your option. And you'll see here that my debit card is already chosen, but you would have the option to use your EBT card if you had put it in earlier. If not, that's okay. You can scroll all the way down and you can enter your EBT card here as well. And then once you add your card, you just choose it and you continue. And I'm just checking that everything's all set. We'll continue. And it might ask you to join Prime. Not, I chose no thank you. And then you'll see here you can review your order, and like I said, you would choose your EBT card and that would show up and cover everything besides shipping cost or foods that did not fall under the SNAP benefits.